Today's tutorial video will show you how to create this cat appliqué motif that you can add to your projects. Hi everyone and welcome to Chives. I've added the cat appliqué motif to this crochet wallet and added a two-tone button to create cat's ball of yarn. You will be needing the following materials. To create the items in this video, visit the links in the description box below. Begin by creating a slip knot and chain 9. Row 1, single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in the next 7 chains. Turn your work, row 2, chain 1, single crochet in every stitch in the row. Turn your work, row 3 to row 5, chain 1, single crochet in every stitch in the row. Turn your work. Row 6, chain 1, single crochet 2 together. Turn your work to single crochet 2 together. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Insert into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Single crochet 2 together. Turn your work, row 7, chain 1, single crochet 2 together. Single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Turn your work, row 8, chain 1. Hook in 2 single crochets or single crochet increase in the first stitch, single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Turn your work. Row 9, chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet increase in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Half double crochet increase in the next stitch. Turn your work, row 10, chain 1. Single crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochet 2 together 2 times. To half double crochet 2 together, yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Repeat one more time. Yarn over and pull through all the loops in your hook. Turn your work. Round 11, chain 3. Slip stitch in the same stitch. Slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. Chain 3. Slip stitch in the next 17 stitches. Chain 5. Slip stitch in the second chain from the hook and in the next 3 chains. Slip stitch in the next 12 stitches. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. With your natural colored yarn, sew in the eyes of the cat. You can also add cat's whiskers. Until the next video, thank you for watching and happy crocheting.